Okay, coming back to our presentation here. So the next one that I wanted to show you guys that is a new release, is a quick one, is we do have some reports, inventory reports that were updated. The first one is our lot numbers in stock by site. I'm sorry, this is the one that already existed, lot numbers in stock by site. The new one is our inventory stock status by lot number. There it is. I saw lot number. I just clicked on it. Inventory stock status by lot number. Okay, so I know one of the biggest questions we have for people who are using lot numbers is to know how much we have or how many we have on hand by lot number. Quantity on hand by lot number. We could see it in the inventory center, kind of hard to find, not really a report, but a pop-up screen. So now we're able to see quantity on hand, quantity on sales order, quantity available by lot number.